this piece this morning, it was too flat. As I curved that down, I took at least 1/4 of an inch off. I want the eye to come this way, and so when I put shadow, 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 shadow on that front side and then smooth out that back side, what it does is it leads people into the piece. I'm able to put some good work in this week. Put curls in Lou's hair. Spent a lot of time adjusting the arms, working on the hands quite a bit. Based on photos and research, I was able to go over every one of those cleats. I took Lou's face and softened it quite a bit. Still not finished, long way to go. Just honing in. Gotta be real careful on those wrinkles. Very judicious use of wrinkles. Added some meat to his nostrils and made them thick. This guy had thick nostrils, oh my gosh. One of the things that I do when I sculpt is I love to sculpt on the in-breath, and what that does is it adds about 10 to 15% mass to the volume of a chest, and to me it gives a very lifelike, powerful quality. The feeling was overwhelming that how many millions of people were going to see this piece and be able to partake visually of the spirit of these two men.